Dear colleagues, I want to talk to you today about the importance of using the automatic injectors. The automatic injectors, the most famous one is the DentaPen. Why do we use it to deliver a painless dental injection? But this is not the whole story. Another part of the story is the checking of the intravenous injection or not. Today I was doing a local anesthesia for a lower second primary molar for a 9-year-old child. Then I found that I have gone intravenously, so I have stopped my injection and started from another point. What do I recommend to you as a colleague anywhere working for any age? You should have an automatic injector in your clinic. This is exactly like the endomotor. When it came at the beginning, we thought it's enough to do it with hand, but now every clinic should have a rotary for endodontic treatment. This is the same thing, to deliver painless injection, to be clean and to be safe, to avoid the intravenous injection.